Hey y'all, today I'm going to be unboxing a shoe mystery box from America's Thrift Supply. I've opened one mystery box from them. Well, it's really a bale. It was the 100-pound mystery bale. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below in the description box. That was a sponsored video, but I did purchase this shoe mystery box from America's Thrift Supply with my own money, so we are going to do an unsponsored mystery box unboxing. Because this was my first purchase, I got a discount, so if you want to purchase one of these boxes from America's Thrift Supply, definitely sign up for their email alerts because I actually got a discount on my first purchase by doing that. So it is $19.99 plus shipping, and then I did get a discount of $3. I think it's 15% off your first order. If you're ordering one of those big mystery bales like I opened in my other unboxings, I think those are actually free shipping. So yeah, that's a little bit about this box. America's Thrift Supply is a company that is coming out of America's Thrift Stores. America's Thrift Stores are a popular thrift store here where I live in the southeast part of the United States. And what doesn't sell in those stores? They're putting in these mystery boxes and mystery bales and shipping them to us. I will tell you, shipping, I got my boxes I think within 2 days on each order, this order and then the first order I had. So definitely quick shipping. I really like that. I like that I'm not waiting weeks for my orders like some companies. Before we open this box, I want to share that this video is going to be a collab with my girlfriends here on the Gulf Coast where I live. Victoria from SuperGeeked and Tanya from Double T's Treasures. They're also going to be unboxing. They actually purchased 2 of these. So they're both opening 2 shoe mystery boxes, but I was kind of nervous, so I only purchased 1. Y'all make sure to go watch their videos after you watch mine. I'm going to link both of their videos in my description box. I know you guys are curious what I got, so I'm just going to show you. I'm going to put this down so it's easier for me to pull shoes out. You guys know I have no patience, so as soon as this box arrived, I cut it open and saw what they sent me. I have a very, very strong opinion on this box, but I'm not going to say anything until the very end. I'm just going to show you the shoes, and then as I'm showing you the shoes, I will put on the screen similar sold comps. That way you can kind of get an idea of what I'm going to list these shoes at. All right, we're not going to open this in any particular order. I just kind of like threw them all in here. So the first pair of shoes are by BOC. And this is Born Concepts. I have sold this brand before, and they're just a pair of really cute sandals. They have a short little stacked wedge. It looks like they wanted $3.99 at the America's Thrift Store. And I will try to share sizes on here. This one looks like it's a size 8. I know sometimes you guys are curious and you guys may be interested. If you see anything, I guess I'll put them up here. If you guys see anything in any of my hauls or unboxings that you're interested in, reach out to me on Instagram because you know I'm going to give you a deal. Okay, you guys ready for this next item? This is, and I should say, they didn't know I was purchasing this. I didn't reach out to the company, nothing like that. So I definitely feel like this box was not like packed for me. Like I didn't get that feeling. But I did get some good pairs. So these are Coach and these are new with tags. So it looks like they were originally $185 and then marked down to $80. This style of like flip-flop sandal, this is definitely on trend right now. Here's the other one. Again, there's the price tag, and these are a size, it says size 8.5. So super, super cute. Definitely excited about that. If you guys have purchased this box before and you have done an unboxing, please link it down below because I want to watch too. There's not many unboxings on YouTube right now, and I know we're all curious when a new mystery box company comes out, like what are they putting in these boxes? Okay, so this is Bandolino, and these just remind me of like maybe like homecoming, prom, maybe even wedding shoes, dancing shoes. These are a size 8, not a ton of wear, just minimal wear. The heels look great. So yeah, definitely in sellable condition. I don't have a ton of experience selling this brand, if any. I'm not sure if I've sold this brand before. All right, next pair we have is Fioni. And I don't think I've ever picked this brand up to sell. These are a size 8.5. I do like the style of these. It's just like a peep toe wedge little booty sandal. I don't know. I really like it. I like wearing this style. Maybe it's considered out of date. I don't really know. America's Thrift Store wanted $3.99 for these. But I think they're cute, so I'm still going to list them. Not much wear at all. Little wear right here on the toes. Nothing too bad. These are fun. There was a couple pairs in here that were new with tags. The Coach being one, this being another. So these are Vans, and these are a size, it says men 7, women 8.5, but look at these. Super cute Vans, brand new, never worn. I'm very happy with this. Again, I only paid $31 shipped to my house. So, I mean, you can't beat that. I'll probably make that back just on these, definitely on the Coach. So, like I said, I was trying not to share too many opinions, but I didn't get a bad box. Okay, let me wait till I can find the match to this one. Okay, so another pair of Coach. Super excited about these. These are a size 10, and these are really, really cute. They have the Coach logo right there. It's kind of like that thong style of sandal. Yeah, like I said, in really good condition. I don't think anything in this box really looked, you guys know I don't like to clean shoes. I know a lot of y'all who watch me on the regular, you're probably like, Alicia, why did you buy a shoe box when you know you hate cleaning shoes? I don't know. I was just curious, and this was a super cheap mystery box. But you guys, I'm barely gonna have to do anything to these shoes. So yeah, both of them are in excellent condition, so we are not mad about that. Okay, these are fun. I'm thinking Depop with these. These are Puma. Yellow platform sneakers. This style is super, super on trend right now. This is a size 6.5. These do not have the tag, but they are clean. They are super clean. In fact, this one came stuffed. So extremely happy with this. Oh, there is a mark right here. Right here, I do see a mark. Anyway, very happy about these. I cannot remember if I've ever sold Puma before. It's a really expensive, or I don't know if it's an expensive brand, but it's a popular brand. I just don't seem to pick it up a lot, or maybe find it a lot for a reasonable price. So I'm going to be really excited to try those out. Next is Polo Ralph Lauren. Looks like we got some cardboard on it. These are size US 6, and they are just a pair of sneakers, low top sneakers. Looks like it has a little leather strap right there. Again, these shoes are just in really clean condition. I think I'm going to order another box because I'm getting straight into the opinion. I still have shoes to show you. I'm really happy with this box. Did I tell you the size? Size 6. Size 6 on those. All right, here's the other match to the heel. These are simple. This is probably what I'm least excited about in the box. Simply Vera Wang. You're probably not going to be able to see it. There's the Vera Wang. Just a pair of open toe. They have like a cork kind of peep toe thing going on right here. Anyway, just a pair of booties, heeled booties. They do have like this zipper thing that you can unzip it and unstrap this right here. Makes it easier to get your foot into. That's a cool feature. I don't know. Simply Vera Wang already isn't very expensive to begin with. So I don't know if this style would even be worth listing. You guys let me know. These are a size 7.5. So 7.5, Simply Vera Wang. I don't know. All right, let me show you my last pair. I love these. These are another pair of Pumas, and look at that. Iridescent glow. Are these not super fun, y'all? Now, these have a little bit of wear compared to the other ones, but still in fabulous condition. Really nice. I wonder if these are the same size. These are size 8.5 women's. Super cute. So, yeah, $31 for all these shoes. 2 thumbs up by me. I think this was a fantastic box, and I think I'm gonna order another one. I don't know what Tanya and Victoria got. Hopefully their unboxings will not sway me not to order another box. But yeah, really happy. This box got to me, I think, in like 24 hours. I love the brands. The shoes are in excellent condition. Yeah, I would recommend this box. Like I said, if you have ordered this box, please leave a comment down below. Let us know how your experience was, because it still is a new company. They just started sending out boxes June of 2022. So as much reviews and feedback that we can get on YouTube to help each other out would be great. And like I said, if you have a YouTube unboxing video, link it down below and I will make sure to check it out. You guys click on the links in my description box. Go watch Victoria and Tanya's videos. I hope they got just as good as a box as I did. I mean, this is one of the best mystery boxes I've ever gotten. For $31 shipped to me, I'm happy, y'all. You can probably tell. I'm really, really happy. If you came over from Victoria or Tanya's channel, hey, my name's Alicia. I am a reseller and content creator. I try to make daily content here on this YouTube channel, Murrayed Life. I'd love to have you. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Leave this heart emoji in the comments if you made it to the end. That way I can make sure to say hi to y'all. And I will see you very soon for a very informative video. It's going to be 6 brands that I have a 100% sell-through rate with. You're not going to want to miss that video, so make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you then. Bye, y'all.